Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change name on Yahoo Mail. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Yahoo Mail account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next one is how can you get the Yahoo Mail app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. To launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Yahoo Mail and follow through the on-screen instructions to download. After installing or downloading, it's going to take you right into the sign up page for Yahoo Mail, where you'll be required to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Yahoo Mail. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to change name on Yahoo Mail. From this homepage, head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile picture. That takes you over here where you have upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus. You have add another mailbox. You have manage accounts, notification settings. Go ahead and click on manage accounts. Now, Yahoo Mail is highly sensitive, security conscious. So this personal info page is not going to be displayed because we're screen recording. I'm going to show you what is displayed here. You're going to see your name. Once you see your name, and you're going to see a toggle right next to your name, and under your name you're going to see account info. So click on account info and takes you to the next window, which has overview, personal info, security, and recent activity. Click on personal info. Once you click on that, you'll be required to confirm your identity. That's if you use a fingerprint or use the passkey or use the passcode, whatever. Just confirm your identity and takes you to your personal info page. Now over here, the first thing you're going to see is your name, and you see update profile photo, and then the next your details, and you see update personal details. Go ahead and click on update personal details, and here you have this, your first name and your surname, your preferred name. So go ahead and click on any of your names. Once you click on that, edit, change it to whatever you want to change, and after changing it, go ahead and click on the save updates button at the bottom of this window. And once you do that, that's it, your name will be changed. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.